welcome back to my channel, Mia's May. My name is Mia if this is your first time here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my Paul Mitchell makeup kit. I know a lot of you have been waiting for this video, and my apologies for not getting them out sooner than now. But today I'm going to show you everything that I got in my kit. Quick backstory, if you watch my vlogs, then you'll know that I unfortunately had to wait to get my makeup kit while the rest of my class got theirs. We unfortunately were one short, and our UPS delivered the other box to some other location, so we had to wait to get everything back. So my class opened theirs and I took one for the team and didn't get mine until later, like a week later. However, I did get one of the old kits, which not good, okay? So I'm going to be showing you what I got in both kits, and then I'm also going to show you how I added to, everything that I added to the kit. So the first kit that I got, which is what the previous classes received, we did upgrade to a newer kit. So I have two, which is pretty cool. But the first kit, it's a lunchbox is what I call it. This is the Ultimate Face Professional Kit. As you can see, it is very small and not much came in it. The only thing that came in it was like 2 eyeshadow palettes, a face palette, a concealer palette, 4 lip duos, which equal to 8, setting spray. I think that's it. And then the newest classes receipt, oh, it's so heavy. This box, hold on, and this is the Muse kit. So I'm going to show you everything in both of them. I'm going to start with my lunchbox, the Ultimate Face Professional Kit. What I keep in here are like tools and my manicure kits and stuff like that. So I'm just going to show you guys. So when you open it up, it opens like this, and these open as well. So it's gonna be really hard, so I'm gonna show you guys what came in the flap, what I put in the flap first. Everything up here is just my manicure kit, my manicure stuff. You guys saw this in my what's my kit video. If you haven't seen that, then check it out. Okay, it's pretty nice. So you have your basic manicure essentials. I need a manicure as we speak. We also, I'm not gonna take all this out, but it's a bunch of it's 4 nail polishes, a nail file, foot brush scrubber thingy, cuticle pusher, cuticle oil. No, not cuticle oil, bad stuff. Ooh. Just all of that. I'm not about to go through all that. When I open up the flaps on the inside, one side I have just some spoolies that came in the professional, the better kit. The eyeshadow palettes that I received in this kit, the Ultimate Face Kit, are in here. I don't really plan on using them. I have my own eyeshadow palettes that I've added to it, so. But it came with a lip kit. This is a cream blush and contour and highlight palette. 2 eyeshadow palettes. There's this one, and then there's this one. And then in the bottom I have tools and stuff. So I've got these little creaseless hair clips to get the hair out of the face if I'm doing a client. And then this came in the newer kit, but these are my lashes. It's lashes in a box, which they sell this at Morphe, which is really cool, but it comes with 10 pairs of lashes. I have my pencil sharpener, some Morphe setting spray that I added to the kit, and I also added this Cinema Secrets brush cleaner, which is my absolute favorite brush cleaner. Newer kits also came with a brush cleaner. I don't like the smell of it because it's a citrus scent, and I don't like citrus. And then lastly, I have baby wipes, because baby wipes are my favorite when doing my makeup. I use them to wipe off the extra stuff that I put on the back of my hand, and I just love baby wipes. Okay, so that's everything that could fit in my lunchbox. I need to stop calling it a lunchbox, but literally that's what it is. Now in the big dog. Oh, it's so big and heavy, and it also has this little I forgot what this is called, but you can, where you can put your suitcase, put it on your suitcase, or like if you have another kit or something. And this one comes with a strap to hold it because it's really heavy. But it's really only heavy because I added so much to it. Oh! It comes with all, well, I get two sides. Something fell out. On one side, they're Velcro and stick in. The other side, it doesn't. This was added. It was actually a gift. It's a makeup brush belt, which I think is really cool. In this box, this is just another Muse box. These are only the brushes that they gave us. So they're not horrible, but. And then I went on Amazon and purchased my own brushes. From face brushes to eye brushes. This was only like $15 because I'm not going to use my own personal brushes on other people. And then also on that side I have a Morphe palette. The reason I love this palette is because it has so many colors and you can create so many different looks with it. So now for the other side, in the first little cubicle, we have the Kett Cosmetics setting powder. This is a pressed powder, and guys, it's literally white. I would not use this on anyone. The flashback is probably crazy on this, but this is what came with the kit. I'll probably end up purchasing my own translucent setting powder to add to the kit. The newer kit also came with this lip kit. I've actually heard really good things about it, so I might try it out for myself. This is one of the foundation kits or palettes. This is a foundation slash contour slash highlight palette. And another one, more warm toned. And then we also got like this blush contour highlight palette. So what you're supposed to do is be able to mix both of these palettes together to make the perfect foundation. Oh, also in this pouch, my spatulas are in here, and so you're supposed to mix it on these little plates. So this is a palette. I think this is called a palette. Yep. And there's some spatulas in there, so you can like scrape the product out and you put it on here to mix it up. So you don't have to use the back of your hand, and it's a lot more sanitary. In the next small cubicle, I have a lot stuffed into this little bad boy. I was gifted not all of the shades, but most of the shades from the LA Girl Pro Conceal collection, I guess. I don't know, but I just got, I think there's a total of 24 of them. I also got like darker shades, lighter shades. I've got color correctors. It's a lot, okay? It's a lot. So shout out to my mom for getting me those for Christmas. I also have the P. Louise Base Pro in Rumor 2. This came in the lunchbox, but it's a mascara. So cool. And this also came in the lunchbox. This is the primer. I've also, for myself, I added the Tatcha water cream. I like this as a like moisturizer. This is a combination of both of the kits, but they're like lip liners, and they're both, all of them are dual-sided or whatever you call it. I added a mini liquid liner by Kat Von D, and then there's also another mascara that came in the other kit. That's everything that's in this little cubicle. In the last cubicle, which is the biggest one, I have my palettes right here. Hold on. Hello.
Hello, Aaliyah.
Yes, ma'am.
So I wanted to call you back to, again, first offer you the position here as beauty advisor. Okay, you're welcome. Bye.
Bye. Sorry, I just got a job. Look at God. Come on, come through. Where was I? I have, so, two Juvia's Place blush palettes. I have this one, this one. I also have a Morphe, the Bretman Rock Babe in Paradise highlighter palette. Good for all skin tones. I like palettes I think palettes are the best way to go when you're doing like other people. I also have the Luminous Cosmetics and Sir John collection with the Lion King. This is the sculpting palette, which I really love. As you can see, this one got a lot of love. 3 Kat Von D palettes. I have the eyeshadow palette, if I can open it. I have her eyeshadow palette, which is a bunch of neutral tones, so perfect for like any type of smoky eye or something like that. And then I have both of the contour palettes. Here's a cream one and the powder one, which is kind of dirty. I have both of these palettes in there as well. This is the Soft Glam palette. It is so pretty, oh my goodness. And then the Modern Renaissance, which is a classic palette. It's also very beautiful. 2 palettes, the 2 eyeshadow palettes that came in the kit are actually not that bad. So there's this earthy tones, more natural neutral tones, and then they've got this banging pops of color vibrant palette. I think I would use these on myself. So that is all that came in my kit that I've added to my kit. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't seen what came in my cosmetology kit, click the card above and you'll be able to check that out. If you haven't already, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos on my journey at Paul Mitchell, I will leave the link in the description as always, so that you can catch up and see what I do at school every day. That's really all for this video. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.